Seriously? Alright guys, today we're doing a taste test. Well, I'm not doing it. I'm just narrating everything, but commentating, and these lovely three are going to be taste testing.
Lovely is a very strong word.
They are going to be taste testing, which is not sponsored, by the way.
Not sponsored.
Hostess,
not sponsored by Hostess.
Honey Bun flavored cereal. We seen another YouTuber do, what was it, the Twinkies?
Yeah, Twinkie. Yeah, he did Twinkie.
And I saw this in the store, and I told him, I said, since you like honey buns, and your baby like honey buns,
I would want to try the powdered donut ones. I'm not that big of a fan of honey buns anymore.
As y'all can see, open up the box for the very first time.
You gotta... Yep.
So nervous.
I will put my milk first.
No, this is going to taste.
No.
Is it going to be good, or is it going to be great, or is it going to be meh?
Smells good though.
Okay, hold on. Let's smell test. Smell it. Let's smell it. Let's smell it. Smell it.
Don't put your boogers in there. Don't put your nose in there.
Smell it. Smell it.
Oh, it smells like honey buns.
Yeah, it does smell like honey buns.
What? I would have never guessed.
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
It's too bad looking.
Okay. I'll give it this.
It's not actual size.
I'm going to read it and learn to show detail.
Here we go. Alright.
Now, final thing.
Smell it.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait.
It smells like donuts.
You silly.
So we got Tori in the back. She just ate a real honey bun because she didn't want to try it.
Fake. Wow.
So, okay, 3,
Alright.
2, 1. Try it.
You ready? Try it. Let's go. Let's go see what it tastes like.
You like it?
You like it? Let me know taste.
I'm guessing Diamond likes it.
It's been there the entire time.
Need some more milk?
No.
Okay.
I want more milk.
Let me see a little bit more.
There.
Now I would like to find
No
powdered donuts. Powdered donuts. Do you not like them? Because if you don't,
I gotta admit.
you don't like them, we can keep them.
Yes, I like them. I like the honey bun cereal. I like it.
Me too.
It's good. It's actually good.
You sure you don't want to try a bowl, Tori?
It's good. Well,
It tastes like the similar thing you just ate. Just smaller.
yeah, it's just like the.
You try some too.
Wow. She got you right there. She's like,
Okay, if that's the case, then next time I find something and you sit here and say you don't want to try it, I'm going to remember this. I'm going to pull this video up.
Uh-oh. You getting the ball too, Tori?
Huh?
For you?
Yeah.
And mommy?
Yeah.
All right.
Y'all got it on record. The next time we do a taste test and she sit here and say she don't want to try it, we're going to remember this.
It's actually good. Hey.
We must go back to the store and get some. Did you know if you pour your milk with a spoon under it, it'll stop
Wait, Daddy,
splashing?
let me show you something. So I do this.
Gotcha.
Oh, eating the cereal every day.
We need more boxes there. I actually shouldn't put this with the diamond. Nope.
The box is almost gone.
Whoa.
May I have some more? May I have some more?
Waiting on you, Tori.
When I'm count of 3. 1.
Girl, please, because you ain't do it.
Oh, that's right.
Tori. Her face says it all. Her face says it all. She like
It's
it.
okay.
Let's try some.
It's okay.
I really like this cereal.
So, the other one that was in store was the Twinkie one.
The Twinkie one.
No, because Twinkie has a cream filling in it. The actual Twinkie. So,
I don't
imagine
want
that. Soaked in milk. Have you ever dipped a Twinkie in the milk?
Yes.
You dipped a Twinkie in the milk.
Y'all don't have to try
This is
it.
what I go through in the home.
I will try
You
it.
see her?
Y'all
You see her?
don't have to try it. I will try it.
Okay.
I'm only eating this so I don't waste my money.
Nice.
How do you make the money back?
To me, it's not something I would eat every day.
It's like once in a while.
This would be
This, you know what? This is more like a snack.
that or every, like, one of my cheat meals once a week, my cheat breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
For what? You ain't gonna have no room for dinner.
Kayla.
You got one more thing you gotta taste test too, by the way, kiddo.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah. Put these aside. I will go get it.
So when I say that, Diamond found, it's called,
Peach Nectar.
no, it's a name above that. Let me see.
Ooh.
Jumex. Seriously? It's called Jumex. It's peach nectar. She saw it in the store. She wants to try it.
Oh, do you want to finish your cereal?
I'm done.
That's the only one I could
I haven't
get
had
because the
dinner.
other one.
I had lunch, but I haven't had
No,
dinner.
it was one more.
It was banana.
Yeah, that was it was that one, and then it was the banana one, and then it was the guava. It was a it was a third one.
I don't need any water bottle. I can just drink the milk.
Good for you. I'm glad you like
Why
it.
is this? I got it. It just sounds like
They even love almond milk with cereal.
You said almond milk? You drink almond milk with cereal.
Yes, you do.
Okay.
She's sniffing it, as y'all can
smells
see.
like peach juice.
It doesn't smell like peach juice?
It does.
Like peach juice. You know those fruit cups?
All of the fruit cups, yeah.
Did you
It's
see-
like that.
Okay.
So she likes it.
Not sponsored.
However you need us.
So, with everybody tasting the Hostess Honey Bun cereal and Diamond trying peach nectar,
Quote unquote peach. I mean, parentheses peach juice.
she calls peach juice. Yes.
You thumbs down there?
Did you even try it?
Right. You want to try it, Michaela, before you dumb it down? Like, you can't dumb
Look
down
at
something.
it. Look at
You want the thumbs down?
You like the honey bun though,
Thumbs
right?
down you.
You like the honey bun cereal?
Yeah, I only like the honey.
Oh, but thumbs down
She
you.
said she liked the honey.
So, everybody's verdict on Honey Bun cereal. Michaela, like it? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up, like. Thumbs down, don't like. Thumbs up, thumbs up.
I eat it every day.
Thumbs up. Tori does a sideways thumb.
So she's like 50-50.
Basically. And I'm the same way. I mean, me not having too much sweets in my diet. Like now the reason why.
Whoa, she's emptying it out.
I hope you have room for dinner.
My gosh, I'm starving.
But that concludes this taste test of not sponsored Honey Hostess Honey Bun cereal. Peace out. See y'all later with the next taste test.
Bye.
Like the video.